This is how you can read deleted messages on Facebook. This is how it works. You receive a message, the sender deletes it, you will get to recover it. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. So we head to the store now to install this app. Install this app, open it, give the necessary permissions and access for this app to function very well. Here we select the app we want to monitor. You can see there are so many apps you can monitor with this. It is not only Facebook. If you want to read deleted messages on other apps, you get to select them here. Just tick the box and they are selected. Since you are interested with Facebook, I'll be ticking just Facebook. Tick the app you want. Give the necessary permissions and access for this app to work very well. This is how it works. Someone sends you a message, deletes it, you will still recover the message on Facebook. Right here, select the app and give notification access. So whenever you launch this app, you will head to the notification history. If there's any message that has been deleted, it will be here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one.